Hey everyone, welcome back to Melissa's Kitchen Table. Tonight we're going to be making grilled chicken poke bowls. And of course you can make your traditional with the raw fish, like a tuna poke bowl. We don't eat raw fish, so we do it with a grilled chicken. Right now I am heating up the grill for the chicken, and then I'm going to prep the veggies that go with it. So I'm going to grill some zucchini. This is a Lebanese zucchini. And the great thing about this is you could pretty much grill whatever you want, or put in whatever you want, I should say. So, just so they go easy on the grill, I'm going to leave these in big pieces like that, just so they can get grilled. You can put a little salt and pepper on those. I'm also going to be using some already shredded carrots and some bell pepper. You can use it raw. I'm also going to throw this on the grill. So I'm going to leave them in big pieces like that. And piece I always give to my puppy. So those will also go on the grill. And these are breakfast radishes. You can use regular radishes. And these you just want to thinly slice. That's how we prefer them. All that noise is just my husband trying to find corn. So, I might just cut up one of them. My puppy will eat the other one as well. So that'll be nice. You can put these all in bowls and do it like family style so everyone can serve themselves. And these are shishito peppers. They're not very spicy, but I'm just going to cut them so my husband could put them on top of his. You can use jalapenos, you can use pineapple, you can use mango. Let's see, we have scallions, so I'll put some of those on top. Alright, so I'm just going to get little bowls for these, and then I'm going to go ahead grill these up. I am going to do ours with rice, so I have the rice cooking right now, and then I'm doing chicken thighs, so I'm going to throw those on the grill 5 minutes each side, and then I'll show you at the end how to plate everything, so we'll be back. Okay, so here's what everything looks like after it comes off the grill. Now I'm going to cut this so we can plate it. I'll show you how to do that. Let's cut them into chunks and just slide that right onto a platter. And I'll show you the pepper. This you could just cut it into slices like that. And I have more than that. I'm just showing you each piece so you can see how to cut it. And you can season your chicken any way you like. Just cut it into chunks. And we did chicken thighs. You can do chicken breasts too if you'd like. These were just boneless, skinless, already marinated. Just like that. And then I'll just put that on the platter as well. So I'll show you what the platter looks like once I'm done cutting everything. Alright, so here's what the platter of food looks like. Here's all the chicken. Got some peppers and some zucchini here. I'll go ahead and link the Instant Pot recipe for my rice. So then all you have to do is start loading your veggies on, or however you want to do it. And then put some chicken. And if you're going to use a sauce, you could put a sauce. I'm going to do some carrots. I have some corn that I heated up. Put a little bit of that. Put some of the radishes right on top. Like that. And some of the peppers. You can use jalapeno if you'd like. And then for a little bit of freshness, I'm going to put some cherry tomatoes. And you can put whatever you want on it. You can do like a, I know where we order ours from, they have the raw fish, but they also have like spicy tuna, avocado I usually get on there. That's really good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and share, and I'll talk to y'all next time. Bye.